Introducing the 2023 Skoda Enyaq 80X i4, 80X Sportline 5-door AUT in stunning blue. With only 36,423 kilometers on the clock, this electric powerhouse is loaded with top-notch features like satellite navigation, wireless charging, and collision avoidance braking for a safe and seamless drive every time. Plus, enjoy the luxury trim, privacy glass, and roof rails for added style and security. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information. Drive into the future with the Skoda Enyaq 80X.